Hi, in this video we will be talking about avoiding financial mistakes. Watch this video to the end to learn valuable lessons from real-life stories. Welcome back to the International CEO. In the landscape of personal finance, mistakes can often be costly, both in terms of money and peace of mind. Learning from others' experiences can be a powerful tool in avoiding common pitfalls and making sound financial decisions. Real-life stories serve as poignant reminders of the consequences of poor financial choices and the importance of prudence and foresight. In this exploration, we delve into various narratives that highlight key financial mistakes and the valuable lessons they impart. Living beyond means. The story of Jake. Jake, a recent college graduate, landed a lucrative job and immediately began living a lifestyle beyond his means. He leased an expensive apartment, bought a new car on credit, and splurged on designer clothes and lavish outings. However, when unforeseen circumstances led to a job loss, Jake found himself drowning in debt with no savings to fall back on. His story underscores the danger of lifestyle inflation and the importance of living within one's means, prioritizing savings, and building an emergency fund. Ignoring debt. The tale of Sarah. Sarah, a young professional, accumulated significant credit card debt during her 20s. Despite the mounting interest charges, she avoided confronting her financial situation, choosing instead to ignore her debt and continue spending impulsively. It wasn't until she faced the prospect of bankruptcy that Sarah sought help and began tackling her debt head-on. Her journey underscores the importance of addressing debt promptly, budgeting responsibly, and seeking assistance when needed to regain financial stability. Lack of diversification. The experience of Mark. Mark, a seasoned investor, had built a substantial portfolio primarily composed of stocks in a single industry. Confident in his investments, he neglected to diversify his holdings, believing he had found the perfect formula for success. However, when the industry faced a downturn, Mark's portfolio suffered significant losses, eroding years of accumulated wealth. Impulsive investing. The journey of Lisa. Lisa, an amateur investor, was easily swayed by market trends and hot investment tips. She frequently bought and sold stocks based on short-term fluctuations, chasing quick profits without conducting thorough research or considering long-term implications. As a result, Lisa incurred substantial losses and realized too late the folly of her impulsive investment decisions. Her experience underscores the importance of exercising patience, conducting due diligence, and adhering to a well-defined investment strategy rather than succumbing to market hype. Neglecting retirement planning. The account of Michael. Michael, a middle-aged professional, devoted little attention to retirement planning throughout his career, assuming he could catch up later. However, as retirement age approached, he realized he had saved inadequately and would need to work well into his golden years to maintain his standard of living. Michael's story highlights the critical importance of starting retirement planning early, harnessing the power of compounding, and regularly reviewing and adjusting financial goals to ensure a comfortable retirement. Emily, a homeowner, opted for minimal insurance coverage to save on premiums, confident that disasters would never strike her home. However, when a natural disaster ravaged her neighborhood, Emily discovered that her insurance coverage was woefully inadequate to cover the extensive damages. Her experience serves as a reminder of the importance of comprehensive insurance coverage, including homeowners, auto, health, and disability insurance, to protect against unforeseen events and mitigate financial risk. Neglecting estate planning. The account of David. David, a successful entrepreneur, neglected to create a comprehensive estate plan, assuming his assets would automatically transfer to his family upon his passing. David's story underscores the importance of estate planning, including wills, trusts, and powers of attorney, to safeguard assets, minimize tax liabilities, and ensure a smooth transition of wealth to future generations. Real-life stories of financial triumphs and tribulations offer invaluable insights into the common pitfalls and challenges of managing personal finances. By learning from the experiences of others, individuals can arm themselves with knowledge and foresight to avoid costly mistakes and make informed decisions. Whether it's living within one's means, managing debt responsibly, diversifying investments, or planning for the future, the lessons gleaned from real-life narratives serve as guiding beacons on the path to financial security and prosperity. Continuing our exploration into real-life financial stories, we delve deeper into narratives that illuminate the spectrum of financial challenges and the lessons they impart. Each story serves as a testament to the importance of prudence, foresight, and informed decision-making in navigating the complexities of personal finance. From managing debt to planning for the future, these accounts offer invaluable insights into avoiding common pitfalls and achieving long-term financial success. Overlooking tax planning. The story of Rachel. Rachel, a successful freelancer, neglected to incorporate tax planning into her financial strategy, focusing solely on maximizing her income. However, as tax season approached, Rachel found herself facing a hefty tax bill due to her failure to set aside adequate funds for taxes and leverage available deductions and credits. Her experience highlights the critical importance of tax planning, including estimating tax liabilities, setting aside funds for taxes, and optimizing deductions to minimize tax burdens and maximize savings. Falling prey to scams. The tale of John. John, a retiree, fell victim to a fraudulent investment scheme promising high returns with minimal risk. Seduced by the prospect of quick wealth, John invested a substantial portion of his retirement savings, only to discover that the scheme was a Ponzi scheme, and his investments were lost irretrievably. His story serves as a cautionary reminder of the prevalence of financial scams and the importance of conducting thorough due diligence, verifying credentials, and exercising skepticism before committing funds to any investment opportunity. Succumbing to peer pressure. The journey of Jessica. Jessica, a recent college graduate, succumbed to peer pressure and social expectations, prioritizing conspicuous consumption over prudent financial management. She felt compelled to keep up with her friends' extravagant lifestyles, even if it meant accumulating debt and jeopardizing her financial future. However, as the novelty of material possessions wore off, Jessica realized the toll her spending habits had taken on her financial well-being and embarked on a journey toward financial mindfulness and frugality. Her story underscores the significance of resisting peer pressure, aligning spending with values, and prioritizing long-term financial goals over short-term gratification. Mismanaging windfalls. The experience of Peter. Peter, a lottery winner, experienced a sudden windfall of wealth but lacked the financial discipline to manage it prudently. He indulged in extravagant purchases, lavished gifts on friends and family, and made impulsive investments without considering long-term implications. His story serves as a cautionary tale of the dangers of mismanaging windfalls and underscores the importance of seeking professional financial advice, creating a strategic plan, and exercising restraint when suddenly coming into wealth. Neglecting financial education. The account of Michelle. Michelle, a young professional, neglected to prioritize financial education, assuming that managing money was a task best left to experts. She entrusted her investments to a financial advisor without fully understanding the implications of her investment decisions or the fees she was paying. However, when discrepancies arose, Michelle realized the importance of financial literacy and empowerment in making informed financial choices. Her story highlights the significance of continuous learning, taking an active role in managing finances, and seeking transparency and accountability from financial professionals. Failing to plan for healthcare costs. The lesson from Brian. Brian, a middle-aged individual, failed to anticipate the rising costs of healthcare in retirement, assuming that Medicare would cover all his medical expenses. However, as he aged, Brian encountered unexpected healthcare expenses, including premiums, deductibles, and co-payments, which strained his retirement budget and jeopardized his financial security. His story underscores the importance of planning for healthcare costs in retirement, including factoring in potential medical expenses, exploring supplemental insurance options, and incorporating healthcare savings into long-term financial planning. Underestimating the impact of inflation. The story of Linda. Linda, a conservative investor, underestimated the long-term impact of inflation on her savings and investments. She opted for low-risk, low-return investments, assuming they would provide adequate returns to sustain her lifestyle in retirement. However, as inflation eroded the purchasing power of her savings over time, Linda found herself struggling to cover essential expenses and maintain her standard of living. Her experience underscores the importance of factoring inflation into investment decisions, seeking opportunities for growth, and adopting a diversified investment strategy to mitigate the effects of inflation on long-term financial goals. Real-life financial stories offer a treasure trove of insights into the triumphs and tribulations of managing personal finances. From living within one's means to planning for retirement, each narrative illuminates the importance of prudent financial management, foresight, and informed decision-making. By learning from the experiences of others, individuals can avoid common pitfalls, navigate financial challenges, and chart a course toward long-term financial security and prosperity. Whether it's prioritizing savings, managing debt responsibly, or seeking professional guidance, the lessons gleaned from real-life stories serve as guiding beacons on the journey to financial well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.